Hi, I'm going to show you the features of the editing toolbar in Canvas Discussions. First, go to Discussions. Click on the discussion you're entering. Select Reply, and this is the editing bar. You can put in your text. You can, of course, bold and italicize, underline, and unselect those if you don't want them bold, italicized, or underlined. You can add text color by clicking on the drop down, making it green. You can, of course, clear formatting by highlighting and clear formatting, so it's no longer got a text color. This is a background color. This is a text color, so I'm going to return my text color to black, and I'm going to return my background color to nothing. Now you can align your text, and you can increase the size. You can change it from paragraph to header by highlighting it and going to header. You can align your text so that it's aligned to the left or to the right. You can make your lists. You can make bulleted lists by going to the bullet list here, or numbered lists. You can create links by highlighting the text you want to create a link, going up to the link to URL. You would need to copy and paste the URL. So go back into link to URL and now paste that URL link and then press insert link. And now you have a link to a site outside of Canvas. To break that link, you would select here remove link, and now it is normal text. You can also add tables by going here and selecting the number of rows and the number of columns. You can delete columns and insert columns. You can put table properties so that there is no border, or if there is a thicker border. So you can manipulate your responses to a discussion post to look professional with many of these features. You can also embed images and embed videos, and that is in a different instructional screencast that I've recorded. Thanks for watching.